What's up, guys? I just got this in the mail. Leatherman Free P4. And here's a close-up of this beautiful multi-tool. I like the design, how it looks, and also the idea behind. And I was playing with it and trying to get used to it. It's very hard to get used to it because I'm so used to my Leatherman Surge that is, to me, is kind of annoying, or yeah, kind of annoying, and I don't like that because every time I pull my Leatherman Surge out of my sheath with my right hand to use the blade right away, I can do that, right? I can use it, put it back, and then if in that moment I also need to use the pliers, I'm able to open it one hand, use the pliers, and put it on the side. So when I got this one, I'm like, okay, the blades are up here, so that means that I use the blade and I put it back, and then boom, surprise, the pliers are on the bottom part. So I was like, oh wow, that's confusing, and it's starting to get annoying because now I have to get used to it, and that's something I didn't like right away. But other than that, I think it's a great multi-tool, and I like the idea that all the tools are on the outside. I think that's cool, and I understand, right, that if they put the tools on the outside, then it's almost I mean, of course they could have put the blade over here, the scissors, they could have found a way, but it would have been much thicker, I believe, or much bigger, and probably that's the reason they did it, to keep it kind of a slim and in a smaller size, like the Leatherman Wave. See, it's almost the same size. Okay, but I know you guys get my point. So one-handed, you can choose any tool you need to use at the moment. Over here there are only two tools, and then your blade, okay, then your pliers. Blade, okay. So that's annoying to me because what I said, you have it inside your sheath, right, against your hip, you pull it out, you need to use the blade right away. That's awesome right there. But okay, you need to cut a wire or something, then you have to do all this and then use it. So to me, I didn't like that. I hope you guys get my point. But so that's what you're gonna get when you order your P4 and you get it in your hands. You're gonna notice that right away, because all multi-tools from Leatherman, or at least the most common, like the Leatherman Wave and Leatherman Surge, they're like that. You know, you open the blade here, this is the Leatherman Wave, and then You can open one hand to use the pliers, I'm sorry, and then put it back. Also the old one, see, this is pretty loose. I can even flip this like a ballast butterfly, you know. I can also do some tricks with it, so it's pretty cool. It's very loose, not like this one. This feel very tight and hard to open with one hand, but this one is getting loose. At least it's not as tight as the Wave. And then this one, then you have to turn this around, and that's what I don't like. But blade, saw, and then you got your scissors on this side. Let me compare the scissors from my Leatherman Surge. Okay, and let's check out this okay. And then the serrated blade. Let's compare the actually the this is bigger than the one on the P4, the Leatherman Wave. See, and let's check out the one on the Surge. Oh, this is a freaking monster compared to this one. Okay. Now let's compare the saw and what the heck is okay. Okay, and so of course this one is replaceable. You can replace this or put the file here, and so let's, you know what, this one has a file, right? So that means, oh yeah, it does have one, this tiny one. So this is the file on this one compared to this one. So I don't compare these with that one because I think not a lot of people have this one, or maybe they do, but I don't think they use this as much as this Wave and this Leatherman Surge. Basically it's almost the same. That's the Wave. Actually they're both Wave, of course, but slightly bigger than this one, than the old model. So I hope you guys get my point. To me, that's something that is very important, to have the blade here, and then not doing this. So okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.